Bestone Jewelry Corporation Limited was established in 2006 and has been a leading manufacturer and exporter of semi-precious stone arts and crafts in China. We have 10 categories: fashion jewelry, DIY kits, loose beads and findings, home decors, gifts and promotion, apparel accessories, beauty tools, pet supplies, seasonal, storage products. Materials are including semi-precious stone, glass, pearl, shell, acrylic, resin, wood, clay, metal, and stainless steel. As one of the top vendors of many global chain stores, we are exporting to more than 50 countries of USA, European countries, Japan, and Australia. Why Bestone? Bestone has more than 200 skillful workers and professional QC team to control the quality. Bestone provides one-stop service of R&D, production, supply, and sales. Bestone has a history of 18 years on export business. Bestone has 18 years experience of OEM for many global chain stores all over the world. Bestone has certificates of ISO 9001, BSCI, SetX. Bestone has professional sales team to ensure customer service. Bestone supplies 3D samples within 24 hours with charge free. Bestone has more than 70,000 SKUs and sufficient inventories with flexible MOQ. Bestone has retail stores in China, and it is workable for drop shipping. We try to do better and better and try our best to service our customers, just like our name of Bestone.